Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. This tutorial will serve as an introduction to Python, focusing on the basics and covering fundamental concepts that will set you up for further learning. We'll go through the following key topics. 1. What is Python? 2. Setting up Python. 3. Basic syntax. 4. Variables and data types. 5. Basic operators. 6. Control flow, if statements. 7. Loops, for and while. 1. What is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its readability and simplicity. It is widely used in various fields, including web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing, and more. 2. Setting up Python. To start coding in Python, follow these steps. Download and install Python. Go to the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads, and download the latest version of Python. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Choose an IDE. You can use any text editor or integrated development environment, IDE, like pycharm, vscode, or even the built-in idle that comes with Python. 3. Basic syntax. In Python, you can write code in a file with a .py extension. Here's a simple example of Python code. Python. Print, hello, world. This code prints hello, world, to the console when executed. 4. Variables and data types. Variables in Python are used to store data. Python is dynamically typed, meaning you don't need to declare the variable type explicitly. Here are some common data types. Integers, int. Floating point numbers, float. Strings, str. Booleans, bool. Example. Python. Variables. Name equals Alice string. Age equals 30 integer. Height equals 5.5 float. Is underscore student equals true boolean. Print, name, age, height, is underscore student. 5. Basic operators. Python supports various operators, including arithmetic operators, plus, dash, slash, // percent. Comparison operators, equals. Logical operators, and, or, not. Example. Python. X equals 10. Y equals 3. Arithmetic operations. Sum underscore result equals X plus Y. Difference equals X, Y. Product equals X asterisk Y. Division equals X/Y. Remainder equals X% Y. Print, sum underscore result. Print, difference. Print, product. Print, division. Print, remainder. 6. Control flow, if statements. Control flow statements allow you to make decisions in your code. The if statement is used for conditional execution. Example. Python. Age equals 18. If age equals 18. Print, you are an adult. Else. Print, you are a minor. 7. Loops, for and while. Loops are used to execute a block of code multiple times. Python has two primary types of loops, for and while. For loop example. Python. For loop. For I in range, 5 iterates from 0 to 4. Print, iteration, I. While loop example. Python. while loop. Count equals 0. While count 5. Print, count, count. Count plus equals 1 increment the count. Conclusion. This crash course introduction to Python covers the basic concepts you'll need to start programming. You learned about variables, data types, operators, control flow, and loops. From here, you can dive deeper into more advanced topics like functions, modules, object-oriented programming, and libraries that extend Python's capabilities. Happy coding!